The ocean is full of life. Schools of fish weaving through vibrant coral reefs, an ecosystem in perfect balance. But that balance is under threat. Overfishing and destructive fishing methods like blast fishing and cyanide use are devastating coral reefs, stripping them of the very life that keeps them thriving. But we have the power to change this. Every choice we make matters. Choose sustainably sourced seafood. Look for certifications like the Marine Stewardship Council or Aquaculture Stewardship Council to ensure responsible fishing practices. Avoid destructive fishing products. Be mindful of where your seafood comes from and support businesses committed to ocean conservation. Advocate for stronger fishing regulations. Support policies that protect marine life and prevent harmful fishing techniques. Support marine protected areas. These sanctuaries give fish populations a chance to recover and keep coral reef ecosystems healthy. Imagine a world where coral reefs flourish, where the oceans remain full of life for generations to come. That future starts with us. By making sustainable choices, we can protect coral reefs, restore balance to the ocean, and safeguard the beauty of marine life for years to come. The ocean gives us so much. It's time to give back.